My name is Bill Aboudi. I'm with AB Trucking and OMSS. And you are incorrect on the issue of OMSS having a judgment. If you read the propaganda sheet very well, you'll know it's AB Trucking. And that attack was started in 2008 by a former employee that was lobbied by the Teamster Union. And if you look at the LM2, I don't know if anybody knows what LM2s are. LM2s are union filings, $44,000 a year that they have spent on the attorney saying that they're not the one suing because they don't have legal standing. The issue of how I treat my drivers, I've got two drivers here in the audience that will speak on the next item. And I think, Ms. Schaff, you should know how I treat my drivers since you spent the whole day with one of them and you saw my operation. You know that AB Trucking has more porta potties and real bathrooms in the port area. You know that we've been fighting and communicating with the community on drivers' rights. So when there's a failed attempt to organize, then they blame it on me speaking the truth. I was born in occupied territories. I was raised in a free country. And I do speak. This is what America's about. And we should be able to stand for what we believe in. So I believe there should be a choice in the port workers to choose whether they want to be employees, be unionized, or be independent small businesses. It's a choice. My company is employee-based. The Teamsters tried to court me. They tried to bribe me into joining and committing my name to their cause. I would not sell out. So I've been attacked. So that is under AB Trucking. It's a separate entity, and it has nothing to do with OMSS except for the joint ownership. Now we come to OMSS. OMSS is not just about me. OMSS was a BCDC mandate for 15 acres that had 17 trucking companies that were in West Oakland. And dealing with the West Oakland community, we both lobbied for that effect to move all the trucks out of West Oakland. So since 1992, we've been pushing forward to move all the trucks and get them to change their business model, not to park on the streets, and have that location at the port. Now, we're on city property. Not only is it OMSS, but there's 18 small businesses that are affected by this. So if you're going to take a hit at me, you're taking a hit at 18 small businesses that employ a lot of people. So please make sure you get the facts straight.
Thank you, Bill.
If I
Thank you, Bill.
continue, and I appreciate that. And Bill, you know I've spent 2 years deeply involved with these issues, and I definitely know what a great member of the community you've been, how much you care about the community, and I also know how absolutely real the issues in West Oakland are regarding truck impacts. So those are all things that I think we're all still committed to. But this is a new piece of information, and so all I'm saying is that we take a moment to assess what this means, how it affects moving forward, because we haven't really had a moment to figure out what this means. The issue about unionizing truckers, the whole issue about the deregulation of the trucking industry, how so many truckers have had to become owner-operators, and how that has driven their ability to earn a decent living down, is a horrible tragedy in this country. And your story is a little different because you are actually an employer, which is a whole different deal. Those are all very complicated issues, but somewhat separate, both from this particular lawsuit and from the end goal of trying to address the needs in the community, satisfy the BCDC requirement. Those are all things that are at play. And so it's a complicated puzzle. I'm not saying that we have to do anything in particular today. It's like third grade, you're passing notes.
We learned from you.
Well, to me, if I can answer that, it's a real simple issue. It's an issue about choice. If the person chooses to be an employee, happy for them. If they want to be union, I'm
This is- that's
extremely
not-
happy
that's
for
not-
them.
Wait.
I'm not
Excuse
having-
me. Let me run my meeting. We're not going to have this exchange of dialogues.
We're
Bill?
still in
Bill?
litigation under AB trucking. It's still not finalized. So I appreciate the time to explain.
Thank you, Bill.
Thank you. And by the way, for the
Bill.
viewing public, if I could just give out a website
Bill.
address, helpabtrucking.com. Thank you.
Thank you, Bill. All right, go ahead.